everyone, and welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday, powered by
Firelight.
here, but Firelight.
With me and Tilly today, who are presenting this topic, which is all about
how to find good topics for your content.
And by content, what do we mean?
Blog posts,
Yeah.
particularly.
Yeah. Anything else?
Videos.
Videos, yeah. We also do a lot of graphics, don't we, as well? So any kind of content, how do you find and choose the right topics for them? So we've got an example here, and this was an example where we put into Google.
Do I need a floor plan to sell my house?
Okay, now what you'll see here is there are 7 advert spaces on Google. So we've got 1, 2, 3 at the top and 4 at the bottom. But in between that, you've got the organic search results, which is where you want to be, right? Because you don't want to be paying for ads. You want to make sure that you appear in the search results organically. So the question was, do I need a floor plan to sell my house? Which somebody could easily put into Google. And what we can see is the first organic result is this, which is what?
Pretty much the exact title that we've searched for, do I need a floor plan?
And it's actually by JD Gallagher, sorry, who are an estate agent in Lancaster, not too far away from us. And what they've done really well is they've just used the exact match that somebody would expect to put into Google and then see the result. And Google rewards you for that. Whereas I, who have put a much older post on here, what's that post called, Hill?
3 reasons floor plans are fantastic.
Now you see, I obviously thought, this is my Home Truths blog, I obviously thought that's a great title, 3 reasons floor plans are fantastic. But Google doesn't, because Google put me below the exact match, which was, do I need a floor plan? So that's really important to know that titles are really important.
I'd say focus on like keywords that people search for, and then add that into a title if you can't figure out what the exact title should be, the most common one, for whatever topic you're talking about.
So actually, if we go back to the other, we put a nice search term here, how to style your house to sell, and you can see that here we've got quite a few styling your house to sell ideas, but actually none have got an exact match. So if you were looking for a search topic, that would be a really good one to start with, which was how to style your house to sell, or how to style my house to sell, which is probably what somebody would put in. Yeah. So you can call your blog exactly that topic. And the last thing I was going to show you was how to look for these kind of topics in Google. So if you start typing in Google, how to sell my, and let's just see what happens. And you can do this with rentals as well. So what to do if you're a tenant, and then see what comes up next. So how to sell my, just put in house. No, don't click on it.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. How to sell my house. And what you'll see is you've got a few ideas there for content. Just read out a few of those.
How to sell my house quickly for a good price.
Tips on how to sell your house.
Selling and buying a house at the same time, UK.
Yeah, so obviously selling and buying a house at the same time, people have put that in and it's brought up a US search, which is usually what happens. So just put in UK to make sure it's just for the UK. You've also got selling your house quickly and how to present your house for sale. So some great topics there. You could actually do a video on every single one of those, couldn't you?
Yeah.
So that's how we find good content topics and how we title our content. So hopefully you've learned something from this about how you can create your own topic, your own content with the right topics that people are actually searching for on Google. So from me and Tilly, bye for now.